Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a pink pamper shower routine. This routine right here is going to have you smelling like a flower garden. You are going to be smelling good, okay? So this is definitely for the girlies. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video, and let's hop right into it. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with my first wash, and I use the same bar soap that I always use. Now I'm going to do my second wash, and I'm going to use this Dove Beauty Bar. This is the cherry and chia milk one, and this one smells super sweet. It just had a nice sweet smell to it, and it's a good scent to start off with and then layer on top of, so it mixes well with all the other products that I'm going to use. So now I'm going to use this body wash by Naturium. This is the Brightener Vitamin C body wash, and I don't use this for the smell. It does have an okay smell, but I do use it for the vitamin C to brighten up my skin, and I've been loving the Naturium products. They have been working out so good for my skin. Okay, so I'm all clean now, and I showed my skin some love with the vitamin C. I'm just gonna work on smelling good. So I'm gonna use this body wash by OGX. It's the rose water and pink sea salt body wash, and it's also a scrub. But this right here will have you smelling like the flower garden. This smells amazing, and I always seen the OGX products. I just never gave them a try, but I'm so glad I did because I love the scent of this one. So for the last step in my shower routine, I'm going to use this pink hibiscus shea sugar scrub by Tree Hut, and this stuff smelled so good. Honestly, all these products just blended so nicely together, and the smell lasts out of the shower, because you know how you rinse off, you rinse the scent away. No, I got out the shower and got ready, and I was still smelling like soap, and that's how it's supposed to be. And to clean my face, I'm using this cleansing oil by Naturium. And I do like cleansing oils when I have to like wash my makeup away. So when I wear makeup, I'll definitely have to give this one a try. So I wanted to do a face mask today, so I'm doing this hydrating face mask, and I'm just going to apply that with a little spatula. And the face mask was super thick and super creamy, and I let it sit on for about 20 minutes, then I rinsed it off. And I probably should apply this with my hands, because when I was rinsing it off, it just felt so good in my hand. Like the texture of it was like really creamy. So for the next few steps, I'm just gonna use my toner and use my serum and my under eye cream. And I'm just gonna be using products that I used before and I've been loving and enjoying so far. And for moisturizer, I'm using this Glow Baby gel by Pacifica, and it says it's a gel, but it felt like water. It was super thin and lightweight. As far as being on my skin, I felt like it was okay, but I just didn't care for the consistency of it. Like it was as thin as water. So I'm trying out this new sunscreen, but I don't know how I like it, y'all. It felt like it could be a primer, which they did say you can use it as a primer under your makeup, but to wear it alone by itself as a sunscreen, it's a no for me. But I'll definitely try it when I do wear makeup, and I'll just use it as a primer. Okay, let's move along to some after shower care. These two right here are a must. This is a step you don't want to skip. So for moisturizer, I'm going to use this body cream by Shea Moisture, and I'm going to mix it with this bio oil. And this combination right here is going to leave you moisturized for the whole day, and you're going to smell good. Like, what more can you ask for? 10 out of 10. The scent of the day is Lancome Idol, and this scent just brings everything all together, and it's the perfect scent for this shower routine. But yeah, you all, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.